Guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, cringe intros. But I just finished the untradeable team of the tournament knockout player SPC. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a miniature like 2-pack opening, because that's how it works these days. And just so you guys know, I've never packed a walkout. Sad. Will I get anything from a 5K pack? No. The last 5K pack I opened, that was from the other part of this SBC. I got a blue, somehow. I got the team of the tournament. Oh, I got a draft token! Lit. I haven't had a draft. You know what? Screw it. This is a draft video. Make a draft. Let me just keep these consumables, because, I kind of need them. Quick sell the rest. Okay, yes, that was like a worthy pack right there. Now we have a guaranteed team of the tournament. Let's open it. Okay, not a walkout, because I never get walkouts. Oh, it is! Yes! Oh, yes! Yes, that's good. For me. I really needed that for my team. That's helpful. Look what I'm going to do here. Oh, no, yes. Storm Club. Oh, yes, that helps my team right there. Okay, guys, this is my team right now. Well, at the moment, this is my team. It's okay. I got that SBC Lewandowski, but I didn't record it because, I don't know, I didn't feel like it. Okay, let's get my Hovedez in here. Swap. Nice, I got a blue Hovedez. Highest rated player I packed this year. You know what? Okay, there's a Senjo right there. I don't really need him, do I? No. Transfers. Let's just buy a good keeper, Bundesliga keeper. Senjo hasn't been doing it recently, so buy a Bundesliga keeper. Bundesliga keeper. That is like 3K. Let's see. What are my options? Out of what? Oh, Horn. I'll probably buy Horn, Yeah, Horn's my choice right now. Wait, let me just get the cheapest Horn right now. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bottom, just Horn, nothing too special. Just a decent little card right there. Let's put him in my team. And just next thing you guys will be seeing is my foot draft. Just bye for now. Okay, guys, I'm back, but RIP quality. I don't have a screen recorder for my Xbox, sadly. Okay, here's my draft. What formation? Let's see. I think I'll go with 5-2-2-1. I just feel it. It's probably, you guys are probably gonna hate me in the comments because of this formation. Oh my god. That is the worst captain selection I've ever seen. Oh my. I picked for Toggin, sadly. That's really sad. I'll go Dembele. I'll go Valencia on this one. I'm probably making really bad choices right now. Hazard. Why am I... Okay, yes, Isco. Why am I, randomly going for... What's it called? I'm just randomly going for the Premier League now. I don't know why, but I'm trying to make this a good BBVA team. Oh, yes. Getting some decent players right here. Felipe Luis. Right back. I'll get Carvalho. Oh, forgot to get the keeper right there. But I got Ter Stegen, so that's good enough. I'll take the highest rated Hart. Let's go on to the reserves. Maybe get like a Ronaldo and a Messi, you know. That would be helpful. Ooh. I'll go with Neymar for now. Yes, 98 Ronaldo, nice. I've tried him before, and surprisingly, he's not that good. Which is weird, but it's okay. I'll go Coleman, highest rated. Yeah. I guess Nani, highest rated again. Oh, silvers. Just gotta go with the highest rated silver then, sadly. I need a new center back and I need a new striker. Okay. I'll pick Coutinho, even though Mario Gaspar would have helped. I feel like I can get a better one than that. Let's take Royce. Yeah. There, that's a bit better. Senjo, I'll take. I don't know, just Luana. Koulibaly. Please give me a good center back from the BBVA. Okay, I'll have to pick Gaia instead of Coleman. That's fine. Oh no, we need a striker now. We really need a striker. I'll just put a Senjo up there. What? How only +1 cam? Wow, that's weird. How about if I put Nani? Will that help at all? No. Okay, yeah. So I'm just gonna organize the bench and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm done, but I don't think it's really the best idea to have a Sensio at striker. It's not really that good, but let's just get started. Sure, Liga Santander. Oh, okay, it's not a bad team, I guess. 186. In all. I have like a stupid stand right now. It doesn't work. Oh, you know what? Wait, I'm gonna get my tripod. I completely forgot about that. One sec. Okay, guys, we're back. That's much better. Probably. Okay, this is an online draft. I'm not the best online, so just you can get ready for the cringe gameplay, you know. Yeah. I'll show you the first game of this, but then I'll just show you the results. Yeah. Search for opponent. I'm not the best editor, so I'm not really going to edit any of this. Except for when I stop and start, but yeah. Come on, find an opponent already. I'll be back when I find it. Okay, guys, I got one. And let's play. Why does that look like a Foot Champs kit, even though I have no clue what Foot Champ... Oh my god. Okay. 4 Team of the Years. That's very, very not helpful. I guess let's try to play then. Oh my. Okay, go Neymar. Neymar. Oh my. Yep, I can tell this guy's better than me. Just by... No, just because I'm bad at FIFA, honestly. I feel like this is going to be like a 5-0 game. Meaning, like, he's going to win 5-0. Let's just see what happens. Come on, kick the ball. What? Is he rage quitting? No. He's not going to quit. That's for sure, right? He's not going to quit. Who quits these days when it's 0-0? Oh my god, come on. Do something. Does it take him this long to sub everyone? Oh my. Okay, good. Go. He kicked the ball, yay. I just realized I got no Team of the Years in this team. That's not good. No, he just did a scoop turn. Okay. You guys are probably starting to realize the cringe of me playing FIFA online. But it's okay. I can try to win. I'm still not good, even when I try my best. But I don't succeed. Ever. Yep, that's what I thought. I feel like I just wasted a draft token. Should have done single player. Just because I'd get a better packs than just losing. Unless if I get like someone good somehow. That's rare. That's really rare. I have bad pack luck these days. My friend just opens a set like 100k worth of 7.5k packs, and he gets Ibra and Inform Manolas in like the first week of FIFA. I open 100k of 7.5k packs, and you know who I get? My best player was Top Rack. So, yeah, and he was my only 84 rated player. That was really bad. No, get it away from Ronaldo. Ronaldo is scary. He can just destroy me. Oh, yes. Go Ronaldo. Cristiano. Oh my. I really just failed. Yes, so did he. No, what? I thought Ronaldo was there. Why did I not see him? Okay, like Ronaldo's injured now or something. No, he's not injured. Go. Yeah, guys, I'll probably just be back with what happens at the end. This is cringy. Yeah, guys, I did lose, but it was 5-4. Game was 5-4. It was a close game, I have to say. Yeah, 5-4. Sad. But, honestly, for a free draft token, it's not that bad, because I get free packs. That's pretty much just getting 3 free packs just from a 5k pack. Nice. 2, nothing good, but I don't know. Who knows? You can always get something good, but it's probably not gonna happen. I don't know. These guys might go for something. Just sell them. Get some coins. Is that a walkout? No. Why did I think that was a walkout? And there was just a bit of, hesitation in there. And I saw the engine. Scented club. Click save. And last pack, probably gonna get nothing. Yep, not even a flare, sadly. Sad. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.